students, today we will see one numerical on diesel cycle. So let us see first the problem statement. In an air standard diesel cycle with a compression ratio of 14, the condition of air at start of the compression stroke are 1 bar and 300 degree Kelvin. After the addition of heat at constant pressure, the temperature rises to 2775 degree Kelvin. Determine thermal efficiency of the cycle, the work done per kg of air, and the mean effective pressure of the cycle. So this is a problem based on the diesel cycle. So read the problem for at least 2 times to get the meaning of that problem exactly and draw the PV diagram for a diesel cycle. So this represents a PV diagram for a diesel cycle. So process 1-2, it is a isentropic compression. Process 2-3, heat addition takes place. At this process 3-4, isentropic expansion, and process 4-1, heat rejection process. So this is a list of given data. This is a given information in the problem. Initial conditions are mentioned in the problem. T1 300 degree Kelvin, P1 1 bar, compression ratio 14, T3 the maximum temperature 2775 degree Kelvin. These are the standard values we have assumed to solve the problem. Cp 1.005 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, Cv 0.718 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, gamma adiabatic index, that is for air 1.4, capital R universal gas constant 0.287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So let us see one by one how we proceed to get the required results. So we want to calculate the T2. T2 is nothing but the temperature after compression. T2 is equal to T1 in bracket R to the power gamma minus 1. So by knowing this formula we will calculate the T2 value, that comes 862.13 degree Kelvin. Cutoff ratio is nothing but it is a ratio of 2 volumes, that is volume after combustion divided by volume before combustion. So rho is an important parameter to calculate the efficiency of a diesel cycle. So rho is equal to V1 by V2, that is equal to T3 by T2. So in this case the cutoff ratio value is 2.63. So by using the thermal efficiency formula, that is 1 minus 1 upon R to the power gamma minus 1 in bracket rho to the power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma in bracket rho minus 1. So this is a formula to calculate the efficiency of a diesel cycle. So put all the known values in this equation and get the answer, that efficiency comes 0.56 or 56%. So this is the first answer we have received. Now we want to calculate the mean effective pressure and work done developed in the cycle. So how to calculate the mean effective pressure and work done? So let us calculate first heat addition, Q in, how much heat is added in the cycle. So Q in can be calculated by using this formula, Cp in bracket T3 minus T2. So put all the known values in this equation. So Q in 1922.43 kilojoule per kg. Similarly, work done per kg of air, to calculate W net. W net is equal to efficiency of diesel cycle multiplied by heat added in the cycle. So with this formula we will calculate the W net. So that comes 1078.48 kilojoule per kg. So mean effective pressure during the cycle, W net divided by V1 minus of V2. So here we don't know the value of V1, so we can calculate V1 by knowing this equation, RT1 by P1. So V1 value 0.861 meter cube per kg. So to calculate the mean effective pressure, W net divided by V1 minus of V2. So keep V1 constant outside the bracket and simplify this term. So V1 in bracket 1 minus V2 by V1. V2 by V1 is nothing but the reciprocal of the compression ratio. So by simplifying this parameter formula, we will get the value of mean effective pressure, and that comes 13.48 bar or 1348.94 kilopascal. So in this way we have to deal the problem very carefully. We have to use all the thermodynamic relations that we know perfectly to solve the unknown values.